Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi Network Coin. Now, Hotcoin Global Exchange goes all in for Pi Coin according to CoinMarketCap. They are controlling 51.26% of Pi Coin daily volume. Now, remember, you can trade Pi. According to them, you can actually trade Pi. That is Pi/USDT on Hotcoin Global. Okay, they will push Pi Network to hit a massive increase in price because these guys, they control a lot of money. You know the name Hotcoin Global, some people might be hearing for the first time the exchange because they are not that popular when you mention Q.com, when you talk about Coinbase or Binance, okay, or Kucoin. But I'm telling you, this exchange control over $3.4 billion in 24 hours. When it compared to something like Bitmat, some people know about Bitmat. Bitmat, as in the past 24 hours, is controlling $884 million. But you can see Hotcoin Global controlling $3.4 billion. Wow, that shows you. I mean, they have great community. They can really help Pi Coin to really increase once Pi is fully launched. And according to CoinMarketCap, they are number one. Okay, they are number one, controlling about 51.26% of Pi network trade in the past 24 hours. I'm hoping for more exchanges to start showing support for Pi Coin. And once Pi Coin is fully launched, we are going to see more exchange will jump into Pi. I believe the Pi is going to be just like Shiba Inu, that within the short period of time, everybody was talking about Shiba Inu. Everybody wants to buy. Some people who didn't have interest in crypto industry just develop interest because the way people are talking about Shiba Inu all over the street, and you see everybody, okay, in fact, let me just join this thing. Let me just buy this coin. Then today, crypto industry will actually grow, and I believe Pi Network definitely is going to bring, because so many people are actually been mining Pi Network and not into crypto. They just download the app and started. And by the time Pi Network will fully launch, believe it, so many of them will want to jump in straight up to order to change their coins. And so crypto industry will benefit more from Pi Network once they are able to release Pi Network, once the mainnet is completely launched. Pi Network is going to bring something different in crypto industry. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.